This is an infrared sensor. It is designed to emit and detect infrared light. It has two LEDs. One emits infrared light and the other detects it. The sensor is connected to an Arduino to help us understand how it works. Talking about the pin configuration of the infrared sensor, the VCC pin is connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino, and the ground pin is connected to the Arduino's ground pin, as shown. The output pin is connected to analog input pin of the Arduino. Now let's understand the emission and working of the infrared sensor. When there is no obstacle in front of the sensor, the infrared light does not reflect back. However, when an obstacle is placed in front of it, the infrared light reflects back to the receiving LED. This detected signal is then sent through the output pin to the Arduino, and we can observe the readings on the Arduino Serial Monitor.